Today I show you one of the most useful tools I use for opening gadgets. This screwdriver set has the tools I need to open an iPhone or any Android phone. In this screwdriver set, I'm a bit sick, so I might sound a bit funny because I'm a bit sick. This tool set has everything I need to open an iPhone or an Android phone or other gadgets. I use this a lot, and I have other tool sets, other screwdriver sets, but I always go to this one when I need to open some kind of device, small devices and phones. It even has a microfiber cloth here, and actually it's a good one. The feel of it is pretty good. It really feels like it's a good quality microfiber. I don't really use this microfiber cloth, but it's always there when needed. This set is made for mobile phone repair. You can use this for watches, for any small devices. It's some Chinese set. It's nothing fancy, and it's not actually great. This is moving here, so that's good, but sometimes it has difficulties when I install this. When I install the tips on it, it has sometimes difficulties to get to secure it in place, so it's not really ideal. This one works, but I go to this set because it has the tools I need. Most of the time it will have the tools I need, and it's very basic. It was very cheap. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was really very cheap. I don't know all the names of these screwdriver sets, but they all have the specifications on them. So this is 0.8. I guess this is Torx 0.8. Is that 0.8? Very fine, or maybe it's that pentalobe for the iPhone. I think this is the iPhone pentalobe. If it's like a star, yeah, it's a star. So this is the pentalobe for iPhone. Probably the most used tool here. And then a flat, very tiny flat screwdriver, another flat one, thicker, another, I think this one is probably a Torx, bigger flat screwdriver. And there are also those Japanese standard. I don't know which one is Philips, which one is the Japanese model. I really don't know. It says 1.5 on this one. It's probably that Japanese type of like Philips. But if you use a Philips screwdriver on that one, it's going to... The Japanese style of screw is very similar to Philips, but if you use a Philips screwdriver on that one, it will ruin the screw. So you have to be careful with that. Then there is the Torx. I think this is Philips or the Japanese, I can't remember the name. This is another, I think that's a pentalobe or Torx. It's pentalobe 5 corners, flat screwdriver, really super tiny one. This one is 1.0. Wow, don't know, it looks very small for 1.0. I don't know. I usually when I have a device to open, I will try the screws that are close to the size, see if I can put the tip of the screwdriver in the screw and try to move it. If it doesn't move, it's perfect. These are Torx, and then another small Philips. Torx again, or the pentalobe. No, Torx. Very tiny Torx. And this one is the funniest one. That's a SIM ejection tool. There is no screwdriver on it. It's a pin to reset, for a reset pin or to eject a SIM card. And there is even this one, this triangle shaped one. That's interesting. So this is the set. I really like this set. It's very compact, and I always rely on this. Many times I will have a set of precision tools from Lidl or from another shop, and they don't have the tool I need, especially the Pentalobe for the iPhone, but this one has it, so that's a pretty good set. Thanks for watching.